How to withdraw the money from the Sugargoo. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open the Sugargoo website and then you have to log in into your account by using all of your credentials. And after that, once you are logging into your account, then you have to go to the wallet or the account balance section. Now this is usually found into your account settings or the dashboard. And after that you have to look for the withdraw option. For that, simply click on to the withdrawal process, and after that you will need to provide all of the details such as your amount that you wish to withdraw and your preferred withdrawal method like the bank transfer or the PayPal. And after that you have to review the details that you have to enter and confirm the withdrawal request, and after that you have to submit the request once you are sure that everything is correct, and then the withdrawal request will be processed by the Sugargoo. Now this may take a few business days, that is depending on the method that you have chosen. So once it is processed, then you have to simply check your bank account or the PayPal to ensure that the funds have been received or not. So this is how you can withdraw the money from the Sugargoo. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.